Hey friends, Catherine here. I just wanted to show you how to fold an origami clamshell today. We did a seashell the other day that ended up with this spiral on it, which I thought was really cool, but it got me thinking about other kind of shells. And the most popular shell you're going to see is a clamshell. Like, just in general out in the ocean, when people think of seashells, that's the kind that they think of. So I want to make a clamshell. The first thing that we're going to want to do is decide the side of paper that we want to be facing outward. I like this multicolored one for the clamshell, so let's use that. We'll face it towards our desk and end up folding our paper in half and in half again. Go. And then unfolding that and bringing the creased edge up to the center crease, up along the center crease. Go right there. And then flip the whole thing over, do the same thing for the opposite side. So the creased edge up along the center crease. And then, if we've done everything right, we should be able to open up our center, flip it open, and end up at square base. This is called square base. Then what we are going to do is bring two of our open sides, two of our open sides upward, and make them line up with the center crease, and then flip them back open and use that to open this whole top section up. And it folds down just like that on both sides if we've done everything right. And we have awesome. Perfect. Okay, so we're going to take the whole thing and flip it over, because this is where we start making our real clamshell section. So for this part, we're going to take our folded edge this time and bring each of those sides up and to the center on both sides. And then, without unfolding them, we are going to bring those original folded creases that we brought to the center back to that newly created outside crease that we just made on both sides. So out to that outside crease. Then we are going to do a very similar thing, but open up this side so that it's this direction, and then bring this outside crease of that side back to the center, so that we end up with this zigzag right here at the top. And then flip that whole thing over so that the opposite side is open, and do the exact same thing to that opposite side. So we've got this zigzag at the top. Okay, and we can lay it back flat and open like that. And we've got something that looks absolutely nothing like a clamshell. But from here, what we're going to do is take and open this top flap so that both sides that zigzag totally unfurl, and bring those all the way outward so that they lie flat to the outside again. And we end up with a kind of up-down pattern all the way across. How neat is that? Okay, rest of this we're going to flip over and do from the back. We are going to bring this section, the whole thing, all the ends, all the loose ends, all the outside flap, everything, down so that we've got a crease here and a crease here, those two. So we're going to bring it those down so that there's a crease all the way across from one side to the other. And then crease that down. And then what we're going to do is take and tuck those flaps inside. Inside, inside. There we go. Okay, and then what we are going to do is take and bring this section in so that this point, if you can see it, there's a up crease and a down crease here. This point we are going to make meet the down crease, and the end of the crease that we're creating will end at that one. So meet the down crease, and there. Same thing over here. That point meets the down crease and ends at the up crease. And then we're going to take and turn those inside as well. Inside. Hopefully without mucking it up too badly. Go. And then inside. There we are. All right. Most of the way there, friends. Okay, a little bit more. What we're going to want to do here is take this section, and you're just going to have to eyeball it, but bring this section up here to about there. That's what's going to create the wing hinges on the clamshell. This is going to be a wing hinge, and this is going to be a wing hinge. So you could bring it down more and they would be larger, or you could push it up more and they would be shorter. But I think about there is going to be where we want that to end up. And then to finish it off, we want this bottom point to come up as well, and we want to crease that down really well, because if it isn't, it will make everything pop open. Then we can just turn our clamshell over and arrange it so that it's a little bit more defined again. But that is our clamshell, top and bottom, and 2 wings. What do you think? Isn't that fun? I really like these, and they make excellent like room decorations, especially if you've got a room that's sort of nautical themed a little bit. This is what I did today. I would love to know what you're doing today. If you have any other ideas of things that you would like me to try, definitely let me know. I'm always doing something new, and I put up a new video every day, so remember to subscribe and come back tomorrow to see what else I'm working on. Bye!